So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that the vector b is a unit vector which follows the equation b cross b is equal to c, and the length of vector b is 2 and the length of vector c is root 3. And we also have this thing, we can express this v vector in this form, like k1 multiplied by k2b plus b cross c. Then based on this information we have to find out the value of 4 times k1 plus k2. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, you see we have this information. So what we can do, we can take the cross product with v both the sides, and we have this thing b cross product with v cross b, and here we have b cross product with c. So now we can open this in this way, like b dot product with b, and here we have b vector minus b dot product with b, and here we have b vector, and in the right hand side we have this b cross c. Now you see we have b dot product with b, so it will become like length of vector b square, and here we have b vector, here we have this thing, and here we have b cross c. So now in the problem the length of vector b is given as 2. So this thing will become like length of vector b square, which is 4 times b vector minus b vector dot product with b vector, and here we have b vector, and it is equal to this b cross c. Now you see here we can write in this way, like 4 times b vector minus uh, b vector dot to b vector, and here we have b vector, and here it is b cross c. Now you can write 4 times b in this way. You can take this thing to the right hand side and we can write in this way. Now here you see the terms. Here we have this b vector, and here we also have this b cross c. So here in the problem it is also given that we can express this v vector in this way, where we have this b vector and b cross c. The only thing we don't know here is this b dot v value. So this we can calculate in this way, like in the problem we know this information is given like b cross b is equal to c. So you can calculate length in both the sides. So it will become like the length of vector v cross b is equal to length of vector c, and we can open this in this way, like length of vector v minus length of vector v multiplied by length of vector b multiplied by sine theta is equal to the length of vector c. We know this is a unit vector, so this length is equal to 1. This we know this is 2, which is given in the problem. Here we have sine theta, and this length of vector c is given as root 3 in the problem. So we can also put here, so sine theta will come like root 3 by 2, and from here we can easily find out the theta value, which is pi by 3. So here we have this vector v, and here we have this vector b, and the angle between them we find out it is pi by 3. Now we can easily calculate the dot product also. We need to find out the dot product. We know the length of vector v is 1, the length of vector b is 2, and the angle between them we also know. So the dot product is length of vector b multiplied by length of vector v multiplied by cos theta. This is 2, this is 1, and cos theta value is half, because theta is pi by 3, so cos pi by 3 is half, and this dot product will come as 1. So now we can put this dot product value here, so it will become like 4 times b vector is equal to this 1 times b vector plus b cross c, and here we can express this v vector in this way. Now if you compare with problem, here you can easily see that this k2 is 1 and k1 is 1 by 4, because we find out v vector is this 1 by 4 times b vector plus b cross c vector. So from here you can find out the value of k1 plus k2, it is 1.25, and if you multiply by 4, this will come as 5. So the final answer is this 5. So in this way, using all this information, we can easily find out the k1 plus k2 multiplied by 4 value, which is 5. So in this way we can solve this.